Hi, hello, welcome. This is Monisha Thiruvarangan. In this video, we are going to learn about stock market. Stock is also called as shares or a company equity. The stock market where companies float shares to the general public in an initial public offering, that is IPO, to raise capital. The stocks may be bought or sold only if it is listed on an exchange. Stock market time is 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. The stock market is looked like a roller coaster. This ride is full of fun and fear. This charm of the stock market is attracts millions of investors and create wealth. We cannot buy stocks directly from stock market or a company. We buy shares through stockbrokers. Stock is a general term used to describe the ownership certificate of any company. They are usually divided into two forms. The one is a registered stock certificate and the another one is a bearer stock certificate. Stock split occurs when price goes high. Company may give dividend or bonus, share as they wish to public. The reason you invest in a stock is because the company is making a profit that you want to be a little partner in the company. So the main thing, investment is usually made with an investment strategic in mind. So stock exchange is an important factor. In bear market, people are not invest in stocks, and when the market is bullish, people are ready to invest. For example, Ravi owns a pizza shop. He has been extremely successful and wants to expand nationwide with his franchise company. The only problem is Ravi doesn't have the funds to do so. He decides to take his company public in order to raise enough money. He issues 1 lakh new shares at his initial public offering and raises rupees 100 per share. Now that the company is public, anyone can become an investor in Ravi's pizza shop for only rupees 100 per share. The stock price is dependent on its customer base, company, industry, general economic environment and company upcoming projects. Demand and supply makes the shares to go high and low. So the next important types of stock. One is a common stock and the another one is a preferred stock. The common stock entitle the owner to vote at shareholders meeting and to receive dividend. Preferred stocks generally does not have voice rights but has a higher claim on assets and learning than the common shares. What are the two market in share market? One is a primary market and another one is a secondary market. Primary market is where securities are created, while the secondary market is where those securities are traded by investors. So the primary market companies sell new stocks, bonds to the public for the first time, such as initial public offering. So the next, secondary market. Secondary market is basically the stock market and refers to the New York Stock Exchange and other exchange worldwide. So the next one, long-term investment and short-term investment. There are two types of investment in stock market, that is long-term investment and short-term investment. Long-term investment is an account a company plans to keep for more than 1 year, such as stocks, bonds, real estate and cash. Long-term investment in stock market period is 5 years or more. It is one of the way to make meaningful gain from stock market and equity mutual funds investment. So next we see short-term investment. Short-term investments, also known as marketable securities or temporary investments or financial investments that can easily be converted to cash, typically within 12 months. Short-term investments can also refers to the holdings a company owns but intends to sell within a year. So the next one, Advantage and disadvantage in share market. First we see advantage. Long-term equity returns have better returns than fixed deposit investment or other investment. Some companies pay shareholders dividends. These payments can provide you with regular investment income. Ownership stocks in different companies can help you build your savings. So next we see disadvantages in stock market. You could lose your entire investment if you invest without knowledge. Every time an investor decides to buy or sell, she will have to give out a certain proportion as brokerage fees. So the next one, two major stock exchange in India. First one is Bombay Stock Exchange, second one is National Stock Exchange. So first we see NSE. NSE is called as National Stock Exchange. It's located in Mumbai. It is India's leading stock exchange market. The National Stock Exchange of India Limited was the first exchange in India to provide modern, fully automated electronic trading. Today, the National Stock Exchange of India Limited conducts transactions in the wholesale, debt, equity, and derivative markets. Above 1,400 companies in National Stock Exchange. It led to the removal of the paper-based system. National Stock Exchange introduced Nifty 50 as the identifying base for top 50 stock index. Next one, BSE. BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange was established and it was formerly known as the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. However, after 1957, Government of India recognized this stock exchange as the premier stock exchange of India. The BSE is known for its electronic trading system that provides fast and efficient trade execution. It enables investors to trade in equities, currencies, debt instruments, derivatives, and mutual funds. Above 5,000 companies in Bombay Stock Exchange. Sensex was also introduced as the first ever equity index of India to offer base for top 30 exchange trading companies. Bombay Stock Exchange is additionally 12th biggest stock exchange market place in the world. So both National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange are one of the top stock exchange in India. However, the oldest is BSE and the youngest is NSE. So the next one is benefits of investing in stocks are gain received, transparency, versatility of investment, flexibility of investment, safety against inflations. Your common sense and logic can be just as important to choosing a good stock as the advice of any investment expert. Stock market is a great thing that you want to wisely invest in your money. The biggest benefit of investing in IPO listed companies is the high growth of potential. So, know well about stocks, what is stock market and its pros and cons before you investing. So last one of the core points with investing is not just to think about it, but to get started. Thank you.